Today we will learn everything you need to know about the pen tool, especially if you're a beginner. Let's start by choosing the pen tool. You can create a path or a shape with the pen tool. Let's start with the path. Click and drag. When you do that, you will have two handles to influence the curve direction. Hold the Alt key, click on the handle and move it. Now if you click here, the curve will be influenced by this handle. Let's undo these steps and start creating the path. Click and drag. I will speed the process. You can always fix any step you want. I will close the path to show you how to transform it to a selection. Right-click and choose Make Selection. We have created a selection, now we can add a mask like this. Let's undo this. Let me show you a second way to create a selection. You can check the work path from here. You can save the path by double-clicking here and saving it. Click here to hide the path, and when you click on the path it will be shown again. Click on this icon to create a selection from this path. Press Ctrl D to deselect. To delete the path, you just drag it to the trash icon. You might want to use the select subject to remove the background. This works on simpler images and not this one. As you can see, the artificial intelligence didn't do a good job here. That's why we need to use the pen tool in this example. Choose the pen tool. Click and drag like we did before, and adjust the handles accordingly. To delete the path, you just go here and drag it to the trash icon like we did before. That's it, now go practice and don't forget to write your comments below.